I want you to repeat this after me. If it takes your client more than 2 or 3 steps to do something, anyone want to finish that sentence?
They're not going to do it.
They're not going to do it. Simple as that. Here is the brain, okay? We want our clients to get from A to B. And if you put them on a road that has twists and turns and hills and ups and downs, guess what? You lost them before they're out of the gate. They're going to close the door to that closet and they're going to turn around and say, it's time for some wine. They ain't going to do it. So you need to make sure that anything you do for your clients that have EF, it should not take more than 2 to 3 steps, and actually with students it's even less. All right? Simple. We have to make whatever road we put them on as simple and clear as possible. So I did make one mistake on my slide. I wrote clear as king. I probably should have written clear as queen in this country, so I apologize. Okay, I have a rule. I say this all the time. I do not do pretty. I do organized. Okay, okay, clear. What clear does is gives you a visual cue. So I am a big believer that you need to walk into any home you are working in and look for barriers to entry. Okay, everybody know what I mean by that? So what's an example of that? A closet door. Every single house I used to walk into, particularly if there was a child in there, particularly with ADHD, the very first thing I would do is get rid of the closet door. Who needs one? It's a barrier to entry. Because, what's the last thing on here? If they don't see it, it doesn't exist. Can someone see it? Unless you have x-ray vision, can you see behind a closet door? Nope. So closet door's gone. Dresser's gone. Bins that are clear around the room with pictures on top, because how hard is it then for someone to take off a t-shirt or a shirt and throw it in a bin? How many steps is that? 2. And they can see it. And all barriers to entry are gone.